How to remove song from your playlist on SoundCloud. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can actually remove songs from playlists on SoundCloud, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to actually remove songs from playlists on SoundCloud, all you have to do is, first of all, just go ahead and launch the SoundCloud app. Then just come to your library tab from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then once you come to the library tab, you'll find the option called playlist, which is at the top, and then here you'll be able to see the playlist that you have created. Then just tap on that playlist, and then here you can see a list of different songs inside of this playlist. So if you would like to remove a specific song from this playlist, all you have to do is just tap on the three dots right next to that song, and then you'll be able to see a bunch of other options again. Then under it again, you have to select the option called remove from playlist. Once you select remove from playlist, that specific song is going to be removed from your playlist. And that's all it takes to remove your songs from playlists on SoundCloud. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you though, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.